Hey guys! Are you looking to hide Android apps? If yes, we already know why you are searching for some best ways to do it without disabling your favorite apps. As the disable function could damage your app and delete your settings or even your important data in the apps. This is the number one reason why you should not disable apps. And look for a way to hide Android apps so that you can hand your device to anyone without having a fear of getting caught. Because many people have some adult apps that are not suitable for underage kids. And many don't want their bank apps and important document-related apps to be accessed by their friends, family members, or colleagues. So, whatever the reason is, hiding Android apps could help you release the tension, and here, I will show you how you can hide apps on Calculator. So, let's jump right in. First, go to the mobile screen and search Google Play Store. Tap on it. Then search App Hider Lite. Tap on the app to install. Once installed, open it. You will see the interface like this one. Under that you will see the option that says, Add Apps. Tap on it. Select the app which you want to hide on your device. Now when the app is hidden in the App Hider Lite application, tap on the lock-like option to select your lock pin. When done, tap on Confirm option. Now you will see the calculator-like interface. But that is actually your App Hider interface. Now go back to home screen and search the App Hider Lite application, which looks like this. So no one will able to think this not a calculator but an app hider. Open it and give your PIN here. And you will see your hidden apps here. That's it. Hope you have enjoyed it. Please give a like and share, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more tech videos. Thank you.